Going to do another knife unboxing over here. Spyderco, very good high quality brand knives. A lot of people don't know that is not knife people. I wasn't either too long ago, so I am now. So getting some few knives for me. Knife one. This one is completely sealed still. I love the logo as well on a Spyderco. Looks like a little spider. Anyways, slides out like that. Ooh, has a little bit of oil on it. Okay, what's so special about this? It has this hole and they're pretty fun to open. Actually a lot easier than those little tips that you got pulled with. Also you can grab it like that and maybe not so much. Open it this way, so it's pretty comfortable to work with. So let's look at this close up. Beautiful knife. Very unique clip design. I like it. It's my first Spyderco. Let's open it. Wow, look at that. Goes in and out like a waves. Very comfortable to hold. I like it. Spyderco LC 200N. Looks like I bought it from eBay. It's been quite a bit touched and stuff. I really like this logo as well. What do you guys think about this one? By the way, which model is that? Anyways, Benchmade was a little bit easier to find names for these knives, but they go. Super unique. Very, very sharp, by the way. Let's close it one more time. I really like how there's a little hole inside of a handle as well. Ooh, whenever I open it, I keep hitting the blade. Got practice, but let's do it one more time without cutting ourselves. You see, you can just grab it and flip it. Definitely have to practice. The handle is a little bit skinny for my hand and ridgy, so it's digging into your hand. But for everyday uses, pretty nice knife, that's for sure. Okay, let's see what else we have here. There's a model number and everything. I don't see the names of them. I wish there was a little bit of a name of the knife. Benchmade does a really good job of that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Maybe they don't have names. Maybe they're just model numbers. Whoa, that is fun. What do you call that material? Let me know in comments below. I really like already the thick blade. I love thick blades. And same thing, you see how it's shaped from both sides, left and right-handed. That little hole, not as big, but wow, look at that unique blade. Very thick and it slides into very sharp tip. Okay, how do we close it? Oh, it's a button. Nice. Ooh, there is a couple ways to open it, like that, by holding it with the two fingers on a hole like this. One more time. Super fast and easy. That's what Spyderco known for, I think. You can open it so many different ways. I really love that. That's my favorite way to open knives because I have such a big hands. Boom. Don't even have to flick it or anything. If you grab a good hit, it'll go in very nicely. Kind of bottom in a way, I feel it whenever I open it. If you flick it, it'll go even better, but you don't have to. Okay, let's look it up. Close up. Spyderco. I love the logo, look at that. On that knife, that spider kind of illuminating a little bit. Check out the blade. The thick and the thin slide to it. Very, very cool. By the way, sorry the way I describe the knives. That's just my English. Yeah, Spyderco SPM 530V. Is that what it says on the box? Not really, but that's the model number of it, and it tells you where it's made. And there's each knife have different logo over here, kind of unique. I like it. Made in Taiwan. Another logo on a clip, very tight clip. Again, holding this knife, a lot of edges on your knife. I guess you can hold it like that too. Maybe I would hold it this way. Pretty cool. Let me know in comments below. Are you supposed to hold it like that? It doesn't feel very comfortable. Plus I don't want to cut yourself. So it's kind of like, to me, 3-finger knife. You see? But I could be wrong. Holding it like that, not very comfortable. But still, super unique knife. Handle, it could be much better. But I wouldn't change anything about it. I love unique knives. Especially the folder with the bottom. Much easier to fold it, unfold it. Okay, what else we have here? I love how you open it like it's a box of matches. Ooh, look at that, Camo. And this is what I'm talking about. Each knife, they have on the back a little bit different logo. And this is much bigger one. Looks like not Spydiechef, but Spyderco CPM S30V. Maybe that's the model number. Okay. Wow. Again, every handle, nothing smooth about them, but still very comfortable knife. Very skinny knife. Everyday carry, easy. Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. So this one is made in USA. Very nice. Look at these logos. Okay, how do we close this? Oh, this is a little bit different. You close it in the back. Also appreciate that every knife have different folding system. So you can hold it like that, open it, put it in your hand. How do we close it? Kind of like a left-handed? No, not really. I guess you can press it and close it like that. I will have to practice with that. Oh wow, cool. You can just grab with 2 fingers like that and close it. That's it, and locks in. I wonder if I could flick it. Not really. You can do it slowly. That's cool. Close it like that. But to flick it, you want to do it like this. Very nice. Again, 3-finger knife. Actually, there is a little bit of a holder right here, so I guess you could hold it like that, so makes it 4-finger knife. Is that the way? Let me know in comments below. Because I have big hands, sometimes it's easier for me to hold the 3-finger. But precision, you can hold it like that. Okay, let's close it. Bouncing, so. Oh wow, you can open it like that too. You just hold it. This is what I love about Spyderco. There's so many ways to open it and close it. Little flicker over here, or whatever you call it. And of course you can open it with 2 hands very carefully. Close it with 2 hands. Boom. Like this knife a lot. And I love the Camo option. I think you can buy different type of colors with this knife. I picked that one. Okay, what else we have here? Okay, there's a thick one over here, and this is what I'm talking about. The other one more like everyday carry. This one is much bigger. For big guys like me, it's probably you enjoy this one a lot more. Look at that Spyder, very smooth handle. I like that one. Is it spring assist? Kind of, not really. But will it flick? Nope, you gotta do it carefully. And same thing as the other one, you have the lock mechanism in the back. Okay, well, let's open it this way. Press it and, ooh, it's tight. It's quite tight. This one will not flick that well. So, wow, things you learn, huh? Cool. So, hold it this way, flick it, open it. And this is what I'm talking about. This is the knife for the big guys. Same logo in the back as the last one. Golden Colorado, I think it says. USA Earth, so I think made in USA. My favorite part about it, that the blade is very thick. It's a big knife. I kind of like either really tiny knives or kind of bigger knives. Medium knives is like so to me. It's a kind of average, but there you go. Clip right here. Okay, close it. Whenever you close it, this thing kind of hits you, but I kind of see something over here. Can I open it and flick it out like this? Let's see. Not really. I wonder what this was made for. Okay, this is just for a finger. But whenever you close it and like this thing will hit your finger. So it's unique. I like it though. Very big knife. Very cool. Okay. You see, I hit it close and it hit my finger and didn't close all the way. So anyway, still very awesome knife. And the last one, a big one. Of course I'm gonna have to buy a big knife. Let me know in comments below if you want to see more knives unboxing of each same brands like I just did. But this one is a little bit harder to open. It doesn't slide. I probably need to use a knife. By the way, my choice of unboxing is this unique folder right here. I should always talk about them, what I do, what I use to unbox. I think I paid $130. You can buy them for $30, but this one is vintage, I think. There you go. A dagger style. Okay, let's start to open this without messing up the box. There you go. Whoa. Is this a neck knife? Is that what it's called? This is gonna be my first neck knife, if it is. Okay, there's a plastic holster. Belt clip. I guess you can remove the belt clip and put some, I don't know, stain on it and make it a neck knife, but it might be not so much because it's big. This is more like a belt knife. Okay, this is a huge one. Of course I had to get a fixed blade knife, and they still stayed with their trend with the little hole. Looks like out of the box it's oiled up. Very unique blade. Look at these waves and flat tip right here. I wouldn't try to stop things, don't want to break off the tip over here. But yeah, the handle is not most comfortable, but it's nice. For my big hands it works very well. But at the same time it's very square and digs into your hand. Not something like a bushcraft handle, but still very nice knife over here. Let's try to slide it into this holster. Wow, that's beautiful. Pretty easy to put it in and take it out. Let me know in comments below about their fixed blade knives. Are you a fan? Spyderco STS BD1N. And as you can see, this has a little bit different logo almost every knife. And this one made in Taipei, Taiwan. It has different cities. A lot of them made in Taiwan, looks like. Very cool knife. So anyways, I know with the last video, Benchmade, I did get a lot of good suggestions what knives I should get, but keep them coming. And also, once I do the other brand knives, that is top brands, should I do the cheaper ones? And also, should I do other Spyderco and Benchmade knives unboxing that I haven't? I want them, so I might still do it. But let me know in comments below if something that you wanna see like that.